show you love my God first out. Yeah. He's name special for your stuff. Yeah. He's name scala so that. He's name scala so much.
What's up, y'all? So finally got done with check-in and everything. About to get ready to board my flight. I got a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. But done with everything now. I'm just waiting on my flight to go to Orlando. Then I gotta take my flight from Orlando to Miami. So probably not gonna get there till like later at night. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So it's gonna be a minute. But see y'all in a little bit, man. I'm out. What's up, y'all? So we just made it to Miami. Orlando. We're about to go to Miami, and very, very soon I had a connecting flight. But just giving y'all an update. We're in Orlando. Did I mention it though? My first flight ever. I've never been on a plane before that. That's crazy. But yeah, we're here. I'm gonna see y'all when I make it to my hotel now, I guess. So. See y'all later, man. What's up, guys? Hold on. Look a little blurry. What's up, guys? So finally have made it to the hotel. Let me find a light in here. Hold on. Okay. That definitely wasn't a light. Let's see. I can see a little bit. But finally have made it here. Pretty nice hotel, I'm not gonna lie. I guess I just gotta stay home. So finally have made it here. It is currently like 12, late 12 something, I don't know. Got here way later than I kind of planned on, but it's all right. So I ain't gonna lie though. Pretty tired. Been on a long flight, and I'm finna get my tail in bed. So I'm gonna see y'all in the morning, man. I just wanted to let y'all know your boy made it. I'm out. What's up, YouTube? So we are now at day one of the FX Summit. Still in my hotel. Just got dressed. Hold on, fit it real quick. I don't fit it. So Kobe, Cactus Jacks. And yes, I'm rocking some mids. Ain't nothing wrong with them. Let's stop that. So, finna get ready to head out. Don't know what time it is. I do know I woke up early though. I got more than enough time on my hands right now. Probably finna head up to the roof, you know, watch the sunset, get the scenery, whatever that case may be. And then I really need to grab me some food too, so yeah, let me get to moving on that. I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. All right, so I'm sitting in the lobby now. Now about this event, like I really don't know what to expect from it, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't know what to expect. Like if I was to see Q Banks or Anthony, what type of questions would I ask them, stuff like that. So am I prepared? No. But I am just looking to get the most knowledge that I can out of this event, you know. Hopefully connect with some people and things like that. I do plan on buying Q Banks course right after this though. I'm not even gonna lie, like as soon as I get home. Well, probably not as soon as I get home, but when I get home, I do plan on buying Q Banks course within like the next 2 weeks or so. and getting more knowledge from that. So we will see. Also, I'm very excited about seeing Jessica Lane. If you guys follow me, y'all know Jessica Lane and Anthony's World are like two of my favorite traders. So just being able to see them and get more knowledge from them and stuff like that, I'm very excited about that. So let's try to get our day going very, very soon. Finna step outside though because it looks beautiful, and I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so we just got to the convention center, guys. Just got checked in and finna head up to the room right now. I wondered how it was gonna be. I wondered if we were gonna be like, was all gonna be in one big room or how it's gonna be. But we are gonna have like a live trading session and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking some trades. I might have to put the challenge to the side. Cause I'm taking some trades, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Building pretty nice though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Building looks really, really nice. But yeah, finna go up here. I don't know what we're gonna have a live trading session on, but whatever it is, I mean, I'm ready for it. I'm just really ready for the education part, man, I'm not gonna lie. Ready to learn a lot, so we will see. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get to this room.
Tomorrow when we're alright, that's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and we're alright. That's when you remember who you are.
We can make it with the knowledge that we share with you, we can do as well.
At that point in time, too, because I feel like as we're growing, all
What you got, bro?
So I was gonna ask, what do you think about zone-to-zone trading with indices?
Ooh, zone to zone, there's a lot of opportunity in between.
Yeah.
So zone to zone works for a little while, but where's your entry, right? So like you understand when you get to the zone that there's an opportunity, but you don't necessarily know where to enter, right? You just get excited, you get the emotional states. So usually there's the fuck you candle that gets people one way or the other. And if you were on the opposite side of it, you often miss out on the true motion, right? Or if you're patient enough and you have that understanding of breakout candle closures in the zone, then maybe you find that entry. But talking to you about FIBs and all that in the in-between, like that's where I see a lot of sauce.
Yeah, me personally, I take my entries either once I see a certain type of candlestick, I need two candlestick confirmations. And then that third one is like really what confirms it for me once it gets near the support or the resistance and the zone is on. So like me, I either need to see like momentum slowing down or see a very strong weak rejection from that support or resistance, and then once I get like an engulfing or let's say a tweezer bottom or tweezer top or something like that, then that's usually when I enter and go off of that. Because just for me, but I know I'm still a beginner in indices trading, so I know there's plenty more confirmations and things like that. What do you suggest maybe keeping an eye out for? Like I know you said that that candle that really kind of screwed everybody over. Screwed me over a lot of times for sure, because like I said, I'm still learning about it and stuff like that. But what do you suggest? Like, okay, what is very efficient for you whenever you are trading with indices?
So I start making $10 to $20 every day, and I will end the day with 1,000. My first win is $10 to $20 to give me confidence that my next trade I can risk $20 and be back at break even for the day. So I start from a mentality of I have nothing to then let's create something for the day. So the complacency factor that a lot of people say, I got to make $1,000 today. This first trade, I'm going to only take one trade. I better make $1,000. For me, I'm going to take 40 trades and it's going to add up to $1,000. And that's why with zones, you're trading zone to zone, and that's okay. But the opportunities in the middle, you can take more calculated risks that add up to a profitable day. So that's how I see US 30, and that's why a lot of people will say fuck US 30, because they try to trade zone to zone on it, and it's not meant to do that. There's mathematical patterns woven into it that are obvious, and you just got to find it, man.
So when you first started off, what method did you use to help you like really understand the charts? Other than, cause I am a believer, I watched a whole lot of your videos about money is not real. To me, it's not. Like how you were saying, we literally just see numbers go up and down every single day. So what method did you use to help you really understand the charts when it comes to like candlesticks?
It really wasn't a method. It was more of just learning how like the charts move. And like I said earlier, like a lot of it's just staring at the charts, just looking at the charts. One thing that I would do is I would wake up and like look where the price was, and then when I went to bed, where it was priced again. And then on the weekends I'd go back and say, okay, so price was here, but then it was here, but then Tuesday it was here, and then it was here, and then learning those gaps. And, you know, like I would write down like the times of like 4 or 5 pairs of times and where the price was, and you can go back and look and you can see like how much did it move, how much did it retrace every day. And so just getting really comfortable with your eyes naturally seeing charts. Like I dream about it.
So
still have dreams about it.
So you feel like that allows you to understand like a currency pair a whole lot more, how much that currency pair may move?
It's that, and it's just eventually you're gonna just, when you see something do something so many times, it's going to be embedded in your head. And so it's like I've sat there and I swear I've watched like fucking paint. I've watched candlesticks move on the 5-minute chart and just watch them move. And that is like what you have to do. I think it all comes down to chart time.
All right.
It all comes down to chart time.
Thank you. I do have a question though. From watching your...
The lighting's better over here.
Over here? All right, bet. I'm going to get you right. This is better for you? All right, bet. So, I do have a question though. From watching your videos and stuff, you actually helped me understand the Fibonacci a whole lot better. I do want to ask though, like, what method did you study to understand how to get perfect entries? Because that's one of my things that I'm studying right now. I'm usually, well, not usually, I'm good with finding the direction of a trade. I usually know what trade direction is going to go in, but I do kind of struggle with entries. So
I use break and recess for entries always. Like I don't use structure in regards to, structure tells you the direction of where the market's going, but you always need the confirmation. So you have to have multiple influences that line up to tell you, okay, now it's time to enter the trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if you ask like what method I use for entries, it's breaks and retests always, because that's the confirmation. Some people just hop in on a reversal being like, oh, it's about to reverse right now, and then the market keep going in the opposite direction.
I know I remember you saying you want to see momentum slowing down, or you want to see big wick rejection. from when it comes to retest? Is there anything else, or this mainly about the only two things you want
That's
to
the
look for?
main two,
Candlestick
but you
analysis?
gotta have the confluences as to why you have to have the confluence. So everybody marks up their chart on Sunday. You know the way I teach, because you've clearly been on. Everybody marks up on Sundays. You already know what you want to happen.
Yeah.
Now you need the confirmation for whatever it is that you want. So it's not just like, hey, I'm looking for this wick exhaustion and that's it. It's like all these things lined up to tell me this is how I know the market's going here. Whether it was divergence, whether it was zone, whether it was a fib level, whatever it was, that gave me the reasons as to why I have the market going here. But before I enter, based off of what I think, I'm going to wait to see what I see. Because I always say trade what you see, not what you think.
Yeah.
Because we can all have a thought of where we know the market's going, but you need that confirmation to confirm whatever you saw.
Don't take our money makers.
And then besides these things right here, candlestick analysis, market structure, learning how to scale one big trade, and
Fully understand the price action.
Yep. Is there anything else? Like, I'm pretty sure you've learned a lot more since that video came out. Is there anything else?
It's definitely a lot more. Major market patterns, candlestick analysis, understanding price action. What else? What else do you have on here?
I got
correlation,
a whole bunch of other stuff as well. I think I got
TP stop losses. You have the TP1 and TP2s.
I got Essence.
TP1 is negative 27, and TP2 is negative 161.8.
Okay.
And then preset stop loss is 110% and 120% preset stop loss.
I do got that. It's on a different paper.
Okay, good.
But I've been watching for a while.
Yeah,
I think it's about time for me to go in by the course and take the next step.
Yeah, listen, that's where everything is. You know what I'm saying? Everything is there.
Right
you know?
there. I had a question. So I was going to say, is there where that line is drawn where, let's say you have your confluence lining up with, let's say the market is coming up to a resistance or something like that, and your confluence is lining up with the trade to where it's like, okay, I know when it about hits this point, it's more than likely going to sell down. Is there where that line is drawn between predicting and reacting, like what he just said, where I know that if it falls or if it reacts this way when it gets to this level, then it's going to drop down, or where's that line drawn?
So unlike most traders, the only thing that I use on my chart is a trend line. I mean, that's it. I don't look at, fib zones. I don't look at any of that stuff. I don't think about, it's like candle open, candle close, is it hitting the zone? Based on what I've journaled, looked at my trades, I've been more successful of just taking the trade, just pushing the button. And the fact that I don't over leverage allows me to hold it if I need to. Because a lot of times you've got a fake out. You've got candle pushes up, breaks trend, and you're like, all right, we're in buys. You get into buys, and all of a sudden it drops 50 pips. 50 pips is absolutely nothing for US 30. I mean, that's a blink of an eye. But if you're trading at, say, 50 bucks a pip, and it drops 50 pips, and you've got a small account, it may stress you out. So if you're not under leverage, if you're not over leveraged, you can hold it to see if it comes back up. Because like I said, it's a lot of fake outs when you trade, US 30, the NASDAQ, gold, all of those. But for me personally, I've seen where I've just reacted and pushed the button. I'm more profitable that way. So that's what I would say if you're looking at that for yourself. Just journal the trades. And say, okay, of the trade, or you can actually export. I mean, you can go to your history, export your history, and look, say, okay, of the trades that I actually pushed the button on and held, was I profitable? Because how many in here have been in trades where they've been profitable, went in drawdown, and closed it out for it only to go and run forever? We've all been there. We've all been there. Then why do we close the trade out? 9 times out of 10 is because you're over leveraged. You're over leveraged and got scared. So it's just trying to get that out of your head, get in it, push the button, be done with it. I know that sounds a little simple.
What's up, y'all? So I made it back to the hotel now. Day one is now officially over as far as the FX event. So it was an amazing event. Hopefully those questions helped you guys, hopefully give y'all at least somewhere to start, some videos to watch, stuff like that. But I'm now back at my hotel. Finna get done editing this video because I got a lot of stuff to edit. I'm not gonna lie, I got a whole lot. So yeah, gotta go and edit this video and then on to day two.